Hey guys, I'm back, and today I am excited to show you the new Blade Nano QX 3D. So I've been flying this for quite some time. Props are a little bit, dented on some areas here from crashing it, from running into things here and there. But this is a prototype model, and what I will be discussing in this video is I'll give you a more detailed look into the model, as well as talk about the feature sets and some cool accessories I have found that I think will better enhance your ownership of this really cool 3D quadcopter. So with that, let's get to it. Alright, so what I got here is the cover, the main body taken off. So it mounts like this. And what I wanted to show you all is what Blade has done to simplify and make this model more durable. What you see here, well, first off, you'll see that all the electronics are part of this composite, very durable, reinforced composite frame. So as you can see, all the electronics are nicely embedded in there. Here's the bottom. I want to make sure you guys get a good look at it. And there's this fin that protects the electronics, when you land hard or you slam into the ground this way. This upper battery holder protects the upper components and the body, of course, if you crash this way. But, you do have the motor bottom guards right here as well to keep that from slamming into the ground. So just to show you how the battery goes in without the cover, it just slides in like so. So fairly simple setup right there. And it's very snug. Battery will not pop out during your 3D flights. It's a perfect fit. So let me get this out. So going through more in detail with this composite frame, you may also notice that now the motor connectors are outside. Let me get this close to the camera. Are outside right there, which compared to the previous generation Nano, you had to run the wire into the body and plug in there on the board, which was kind of painful to replace. But now you can see that it's extremely simple. You replace the motor by just, popping off, the clip, unplugging the motor, sliding it out, just sliding a new motor in, and just plugging it right there. So that makes it extremely simple to replace the motor. So now we're going to be discussing the lights that are, the LED lights that are on this model. So here I have a battery inside the model. And I will be plugging it in and set it down so it initializes. All right, there it is. So anyways, you have the green light, which is here in the front, and the blue on the ends right there. And I don't know if you can see that well. Let me see if I can turn off this light. And there you go. Perfect. So what you see is now you got the green up front. You got the nice blue also right there, and you got the red in the back. And it looks really cool flying in the dark. As you can see here in this video, it looks, everything just gets illuminated with those lights. So now I'm gonna touch upon the motors. A lot of people have been asking, I saw a couple of posts on the forums saying that the brushed motors will not be fast enough to be able to switch the directions back and forth for 3D flight. So what I just wanted to show here is I will spool up the model on 3D mode. Obviously I'll hold it down, and I will move the stick up and down a couple of times, so you will hear on the video how fast the motor goes from full speed one direction to full speed the other direction. So let's see, here we go. So right now I passed halfway stick, so I'm gonna go crank it up and then switch all the way to the other side. So for the last portion of my video, I wanted to show you what I put together or have gotten together that I think would really enhance your ownership or experience of the Nano QX. So if you like to fly or fly a lot like me, the first thing that you do is you typically get, a bunch of batteries, right? So all is well, you get a bunch of batteries, you go flying. The next problem you run into is, well, charging, right? So your Nano comes with a single battery cell charger, which does a great job, by the way. But if you have 4 batteries, let's just say, it could take quite some time to get all of them charged. What I have came up with is a charger that E-flite makes, which is a 4-port 1-cell charger. This is the E-flite Selectra, part number EFLC1004AC. And this was originally intended for the smaller single-cell batteries, like the previous generation Nano QX, and the smaller, airplane UMX, typically the 150 milliamp, 120 milliamp small battery packs that E-flite sells. So, obviously your Nano QX batteries do not fit here, and then the connector is different. This utilizes a more high current, much larger connector. So what I found was Horizon sells these converters or adapters, and this is the EFLA7002UM. It says here 1S high current ultra micro battery adapter lead. So what this does is you get 4 of these, and you just plug it in here like so, and now you have the battery, you have the leads now to be able to plug your Nano QX 3D batteries like so. Okay, so this is a great solution for charging your batteries for the Nano QX. All 4 circuits are independent, so you can plug in the batteries anytime, because they have all their own circuitries to charge the batteries. And another plus that I really like about this charger is the ability for you to, let's say, not take the power supply, but use D-size batteries to take to the field and charge your batteries at the field without a need for power or generator or anything like that. And actually the D-size batteries last for quite some time in this charger. So with that, I'd like to thank you all for watching my overview video for the Nano QX 3D. And hopefully you guys, this video convinces you guys that you'll be pre-ordering one and enjoy the capabilities of this awesome little 3D quadcopter from Blade.